friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen broccoli in the air fryer. So you can cook the broccoli straight from frozen, no need to defrost. And you just need broccoli and seasoning, so I'm going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So let me open up a package of frozen broccoli. Let's take out the air fryer basket. And I will put frozen broccoli straight in the air fryer basket. And now let's sprinkle it with seasonings. So just here salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now let's set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's set the time to 12 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And let's shake the broccoli so it cooks evenly. And now put the basket back in the air fryer. And let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the broccoli. Look at this delicious roasted broccoli, cooked straight from frozen. Let me take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Roasted broccoli has amazing texture and such good deep flavor. Now it's perfectly cooked. Let me just cut it. It's tender. And now let's try it. See, it pierces so easily with a fork. Delicious. This roasted broccoli is so tender and tastes amazing, and it's so healthy too. Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen broccoli. It's so much better than a microwave or any other method. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!